everyone, I'm Dr. Gomati. In this video, we will understand what is business intelligence, what are the business intelligence tools which are available, why business intelligence is important for us, and many more about business intelligence. This is a module 1 of Power BI course. So, we are understanding what is business intelligence. So, business intelligence uncovers insights for making strategic decisions. Intelligence, which is like for what is very essential for business. Almost it is a data, right? So, without data, nothing is possible. Okay, everywhere data plays a vital role. How? Just think like this. Think in this manner. You can see that a few pizza company like Domino's, or you can also think about some other pizza. They will be offering buy one get one free during Wednesdays. On every Wednesday, you can find buy one get one free. Why they are doing so? Why they are just giving you this particular offer only on Wednesdays? And if you go and see, they are giving some combo offer, right? So if you buy this that is if you buy a combo, that will be, you will be getting a pizza, a coke, something together. Why so? Why they are just making it into combo offer? Why? How they are deciding all these things? Because everything is based on the data. Okay, so previous data, everything based on the previous data whichever they have collected. So that is what business intelligence uncovers insights for making strategic decisions. So now let us understand why they are giving buy one get one free during Wednesday. Because Wednesday is mid of the week, so they may not there might not be any proper business during that particular day. So if they are offering you buy one get one free, then definitely you will be opting for that, right? So this is what making strategic decisions. So how they are making the strategic decision? Based on the data, right? So this is what happens in the business intelligence. So business intelligent tool. So why I need a business intelligent tool? Because previous data, if you go with understanding, analyzing the previous data. Okay, I wanted to find how my customers are responding to my pizza. So what is, which pizzas they like more, which pizza they are not preferring. So if I wanted to find out all these things, I cannot go and do it manually, right? I cannot go and check the complete feedback about uh, all the customers manually. So probably I need a tool in order to find all these things. Tool, like for example, if you wanted like previously, before 30 years, so we used to write letters in paper. Now we have started typing it in the Word. Previously we used to maintain all the account details in the notebook. Now almost most of the companies, even from the small level company to the high level company, they have started doing it in the Excel. Okay, so there comes the importance of tool. So in order to analyze this large data, I need some tool in order to find some business intelligence. So I'll be using the tool. So the purpose of tool is to analyze historical and current data to present findings in intuitive visual format. Why so in a intuitive visual format? Because if I show you the data like this, okay, I'm telling you, okay, this is the data, this is the customer. This customer likes only margherita pizza, this customer likes only the paneer pizza. So if I show you in a tabular format, definitely you will not get a proper insight and you will fed up. Okay, so instead of giving you in a tabular column, a tabular format, I'll be giving you in a visual format, like for example either in a bar chart. So this customer likes this, so this region customer likes this types of pizza, or in a graph, okay, or in some other format, or a funnel chart. So I will be giving you a lot of insights through this particular thing, like that is why we need all these tools. So that is where we need such a tool. Okay, so if we just go how business intelligence exactly work. So the very first step in the business intelligence is what? Collect and transform data from multiple data sources. Okay, so these four key steps are there in the business intelligence follows to transform raw data into easy and digestible insights for everyone in the organization to use. So of course the data which is coming to you will not be a perfect data. Okay, so you have to transform it, you have to make the data in such a way that it should be easy for you to visualize. Okay, so the first step is what, the collect and transform data from multiple data sources. Why this multiple data sources is coming up here is what, see, imagine you are having a garment company. Okay, clothing and garment company. You have your company in various location. For example, you have in particularly in India, even in India we can just think of, okay, in India you have in various states. Okay, in Karnataka you have, in Tamil Nadu you have. Okay, so if you cannot always rely on the data should be in the same format, right? Your data might be in CSV format, comma separated value format, or your data might be in the Excel format, dot xls format. Your data might be stored in RDBMS, that is a SQL format. Okay, that is database format. So the data may be from multiple data sources. Okay, so it might be from CSV flat file, or it might be from the cloud, or it might be from the server. So it might be from multiple data sources. So how we are going to collect the data from multiple data sources and transform those data into your required data, required format? So that is the very first one. So here comes the concept called ETL, that is extract, transform and load. Extracting data from the multiple data source, transforming that to your relevant format, and then loading it into the data warehouse, or a data required, that is necessary place where you will be finding more insights. The next one is what, uncover trends and inconsistencies. So data mining or data discovery typically uses automation to quickly analyze data to find patterns and outliers, which provide insight into the current state of the business. So BI tools often featured several types of data modeling and analytics, including descriptive analytics, statistical analytics, predictive, exploratory. So all these analytics is possible with Power BI or the BI tool. Okay, the third one is use data. So here we are using multiple uh, multiple analytics. First one is what, descriptive, exploratory, predictive and prescriptive. The third one is use of data visualization to present findings. So business intelligence reporting, so we'll be learning about reporting in the business intelligence that uses a data visualization. As I told, you cannot simply show the table column. You have to just use any visual form, either in a bar graph or in a line chart and the pie chart or funnel chart, like that. Okay, so reporting method may include an interactive data dashboards, charts, graphs, maps that help users see what's going on in the business right now. And the final one is what, take actions on insights in the real time. So viewing the current and historical data in context with the business activities gives companies the ability to quickly move from insights to action. That is why we definitely need a Power BI tool or a tool. Okay, so why I'm often telling about Power BI, because in this video, that is in this complete course, I'm going to talk about only Power BI. So we'll be learning about how it works. Okay, so uses of BI. What are the various uses of business intelligence? One is increased efficiency of operational process, insights into customer behavior and shopping pattern, accurate tracking of sales, marketing, and finance performance, clear benchmark based on historical data and current data, instant alerts about data anomalies and customer issues, analysis that can be shared in real time across departments. So here you can think about any real time example. Okay, the one I can directly tell you is, I hope most probably you all might have faced that booking a ticket in a bus. Okay, so you can figure out that if you book a ticket during a weekdays, that is if you are booking tickets for weekdays, the price will be less compared with a ticket during weekends. Okay, how they are analyzing this pattern, because during weekends there will be many people wants to travel, so during that time you will be having a higher rate, but in the weekdays most probably there will not be much transportation, so they'll be giving you in a lowest price. But how they are understanding this pattern? Because of the previous data. Okay, and these are all the various Power BI tools which we have. The one is the Power BI. This is what we are, sorry, this is a BI tool. Okay, BI tools which we have, the first one is what Power BI. Okay, so this is what very famous, because the Power BI desktop is free to use, you don't want to pay anything, you can learn, you can use it. Okay, and next one is the ClickSense, Tableau, Oracle, Excel, most probably many might have used it, IBM Cognos, SAS, and SAP. So we'll be learning about Power BI in our video series. Why? Because this is famously, that is most probably used in many companies, and this is giving you almost every month you will be getting some updates. Okay, that is what the highlight of Power BI, and this is of course in a higher level. Okay, so this is the end of this video. We understand what is Power BI. So as I told, you will be having an exercise at the end of every video. Okay, now you wanted to find out what is the exercise, is what you wanted to find out, any one specific example where business intelligence is really useful. For example, any domain you can take it, you can take a healthcare domain, a manufacturing domain, or any domain. Okay, you can find any domain. So today's exercise is what I'm just going to write it here. Okay, today's exercises is what, find any domain. It might be from education domain, or healthcare domain, manufacturing domain. Okay, anything. Find any domain and analyze how BI, Power BI is used in the domain. Okay, analyze how Power BI is used in that particular domain. You can take any one domain, education in the sense, try to explore how education domain is really helpful, really useful, that is how Power BI is used in education, or how Power BI is used in healthcare or manufacturing or whatever. So I hope find this, so that you will get, it's like a case study. Okay, you don't want to explore that in Power BI software, you just wanted to do some case study on the same. Okay, we will see in the next video on how to download and install Power BI desktop. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.